How do you make all goats become pregnant at the same time? Goats always come on heat every month. Every month they become on heat. So make sure that if you have 10 goats or 20 goats or 100 goats, make sure that those goats miss their first ovulation that month. Then the second month you put them together. Then you introduce a male back. Those goats, when they smell the odors, smell of that back produced by those sensors I told you they are here between the horns, the horns, they will naturally or automatically go on heat, and the back will start serving them one by one, one by one. This method is good, but sometimes you have to consider the environmental condition or weather, because you have to do that knowing that